I made a video yesterday about imperfection and patience. Patience, imperfection. These are the two things I've been thinking about a lot, and how that's a theme of my life at the moment. And it totally is. I set myself a challenge to go live on TikTok, which is not going to happen because I need, from what I hear around the traps, I need 300 followers on TikTok in order to go live. So that's not something I can just click my fingers and make happen. It's going to take time, patience, and dealing with imperfection. So I pivoted and I looked at going live on Facebook, which I figured out how to do. I've got OBS happening, and that's turned into a project too, that now I need to get multiple streams happening. I want to be able to set it up so that I can stream to YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, all of those at the same time. And all of that, and I don't even know what I'm going to stream about or what I'm going to do. You got the emotional, psychological challenges of what am I going to stream about? What am I going to talk about? So I've got, these situations where you've got a big challenge you need to solve just to get to the point of being able to do another challenge. I've got to solve my multiple streaming thing. I've got a path forward. I think the way I need to move forward is set up a streaming server. I share my screen for half a second. Here we go. See, set up multiple streaming with OBS Studio. So that's another task I've got to do. Something else I'm going to have to go through and document. Yesterday I went, right, I'm just going to stream to YouTube because I can stream to YouTube. It'll record. It's basically free storage space for videos. And I sat down to start working on putting my course together. I thought to myself that my demo software I'm using, where I can put together a script that scripts out how to drive the browser, is up and running. It's ready to go. Put all my issues aside, stop procrastinating, get onto it, start building that course. I sit down to start doing that. Then I do my little demo, it clicks on a checkbox, and when I play the video and click on the checkbox at the same time, it goes tick, click, it clicks twice. So it clicks the checkbox on, clicks it off. So I had to investigate what that was doing. 4 hours. It took 4 hours to resolve that issue. Typing code in, testing code. 4 hours of it. It's not the most exciting thing, but I've got that all on record, and it's fodder that I could potentially use in another video to shorten that down, take clips out or something. All right, but at least I streamed it, so that's something that I'm getting the hang of. It's a journey, and one step at a time. So today it's the morning. I'd like to go out and do my choices. I tend to procrastinate on those. I sit down at my computer, start solving problems, and as you can see from that story, next thing you know, 4 hours is gone. So I sat down and made this video and get this out of the way, get this out of my system. Challenging, learning to put the camera on and just put it out there. I've mentioned Vanessa Lau. I made a post about hers the other day. She's clearly having some challenges, overthinking things, finding where her value is, what she's got to offer. And on this journey of learning that being herself is the value. That's an interesting lesson, even though she's already been through that journey. Oh, you can't even see that. See, we learn. Right, this is Vanessa's video. Right, let's have a look at this. See these, what they call it, tiers of value creation. So she's basically got the employee mentality down here where she's doing implementation. What can she offer? She creating templates and workshops and guidelines and things and having something to sell. She moved up that and became a communicator and learning how to articulate information and selling that as a value. And now she's got to the point where her value is just being who she is. There's a wonderful thing where she's talking to a coach here and he's pointing out that a lot of the things that she thinks is wrong with her are actually what people like about her, and that's where the value, and that's why they want to see her on the journey. So I think there's a lesson in that for all of us, that often what we think our weaknesses are what make us unique and special. So I thought that was a wonderful video. Go and check it out on Vanessa's channel. She's not posting a lot of content lately. Like, she took 12 months off and she comes back and she's sporadic. That's how I started my day. I've been talking for ages now. And am I in the middle? Look at me, I'm off. That's really weird. That camera is off to the left. And now I'm in the center. That's my story for this morning. I might check in later. Thanks for being with me, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye.